All right, so I've been getting a lot of questions actually about creating a series within Bowker and how that plays into Amazon KDP. So when you're in Bowker and you're creating an ISBN number for your book, the book title does not include the series name. It is just the title for that book. So I have a little children's book that's called Big and Hairy. And that's where people get confused. That's actually the series name. Think Magic Treehouse, for example. Magic Treehouse, Dinosaurs Before Dawn. Magic Treehouse is the series of books. Dinosaurs Before Dawn is the title of the book in that series. So for me, I am in the process of putting out my second children's book in that series. And as you can see here, it is The Golden Goof. Later, when you go to your pricing and sales panel, after you've gotten the series set up, and I'll put a link to that video on how to do that within Bowker, because you cannot do it yourself. You actually have to follow a process. I explained that in the video. But once you have your series set up, you will go to your sales and pricing, and down here you will see a series title. Normally you'll have just a blank with a check right here, but if you have a series set up, it'll show up like that. You select your series and you submit your ISBN. Now the confusion is, well, can't I just put in my series name and the title using a colon or semicolon or whatever? No, you cannot. The way it works is that the metadata translates that colon automatically as a subtitle. So if you were to put, in my case, Big and Hairy, colon, The Golden Goof, what happens is you will ultimately confuse the metadata within your ISBN number and what the publishing places have, so Ingram Spark or Amazon KDP. And you will eventually get a pop-up on your ISBN registration that says specifically, I can't do it here because I don't want to go tinkering with it, but it says use of a colon will create on many platforms a subtitle automatically. And even if you don't have a subtitle here, using that colon in your title with your series name will cause problems. So again, create a series, select the series, and use just the book title, because your book title isn't Big and Hairy or Magic Treehouse or Junie B. Jones. It's the title of the book. That's a very strict policy that they use. Now, as you can see here, when I go to Amazon and I create a book in a series, that's a process that I'll do in another video. You will see that it says here in your bookshelf that your book is in the series right here. This is the book title, author, and everything else is the same. Now when you go to the listing, it looks even different. So the listing looks like this. Here is the title of the book. And then Amazon, because you've created a series on Amazon and it matches the metadata in your ISBN, they automatically put this right here, in parentheses, the series of the book, which includes Big and Hairy. You do not put in Big and Hairy in your title or subtitle on Amazon if it's in a series. It's automatically put in there just like that. And it'll also put in this part of Big and Hairy. And it'll tell you how many books are listed in that series when you go to publish. Another question that comes up about a series is how to do your book cover. Well, I just do a simple book cover. It's got the Big and Hairy, which I want on my cover because it is technically the book series, and it is also what I want showing up on my book as far as branding and identification. So it's Big and Hairy, The Secret of Soggy Soak, or Big and Hairy, The Golden Goof. One of the beauties of having a series is this is an identifiable keyword or search term that Amazon automatically puts in for you, so you don't even have to worry about that. As far as Ingram Spark is concerned, they don't do a online publishing house. They distribute to your other retailers, so your Barnes and Nobles and Books A Million and all that, and that is where the metadata comes in. So you don't want to go confusing the metadata. So all in all, it's pretty easy. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you learned something. I will continue to create videos. Please feel free to leave comments. I will try and answer your questions. Stay tuned. Please like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. As always, happy publishing.